going to do a pump alignment here without a special tool on a 4R44, 4R55, and 5R55E transmission. That is from 95 to 2002 Ford Explorers, and on the Sport Track, and the Rangers and the Mazda pickup trucks. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, we want to put our torque converter away from the bench. And the reason you want to do that is because once you put the bell housing on the converter, you want to make sure that the bell housing is not touching the bench. So you need something to kind of raise it up. I'm using an old ring gear. The next thing is we're going to install our plate here. Kind of align your holes. Kind of center it as best as you can. Now I'm going to get a screwdriver, and I already got my pump gears in here. I already have the O-ring lubricated. I'm just going to get my screwdriver and hold the gears from the pump. I'm going to rotate until they fall in there. There we go. Now we're all the way in. Now we're going to align the bolt holes and keep the plate centered on the plate there. Now I'm going to get my input shaft, and I'm going to stick it in the center. That's just going to aid a little bit on centering everything here. But once your plate and everything's aligned, the torque converter is actually with the pump bushing, and the input shaft, it's kind of centering everything up. Now we get our bolts, install our bolts. Just making sure that your wear plate doesn't move. Then we can tighten up the bolts. Bolts are not tight, they're just kind of hand tight. Kind of rotate your bell housing, make sure that your gears are rotating properly and that your pump gears are not locked in. If they're locked in, then you probably have a piece of metal or some debris, piece of dirt stuck in between the wear plate and your pump gears. But that's how you do it. Now that your pump is rotating, now that you can send your bolts home. So there we have it. Pump alignment without special tools. Now we get our output shaft off, raise up our pump from the converter. You can use the old converter if you have the new one. It's fine as long as you have a converter to do it and have it raised up from the bench. Here we have it. Pump assembly is ready to be installed into our transmission.